Hello, everyone. What I'm about to explain is backed by the mechanics working here in the shop, so there's no need to worry. This can be fixed. When a customer comes through the door with this warning, the first thing we explain is that the system detected a fault on the front right side and, for safety, decided to deactivate or limit functions to protect sensors, actuators, or associated modules. Some customers say, "The light came on suddenly. I don't know what happened with my front wheel," which tells us that something inside the system is out of range and needs inspection. At the same time, in the shop we find that the most common causes are related to brake sensors, suspension sensors, ABS or ESP modules, or even the power steering system. Many times, customers mention, "I restarted the car and the light went off for a while," which makes sense. Restarting can temporarily restore communication between sensors and modules. As one technician says, the system protects the vehicle before anything breaks, so it limits functions when it detects an error. Additionally, some customers notice the fault appears after driving in heavy rain, deep puddles, or dusty roads. Moisture or accumulated dirt can affect connectors or sensors, triggering the alert. On the other hand, some customers arrive with damaged sensors or actuators. They tell us, "I've tried everything, and the light stays on. I can't make it disappear." And this is where things get more serious. It may be necessary to replace the sensor, the control module, or, in more critical cases, components of the braking or suspension system. Mercedes even publishes technical bulletins indicating specific inspections for certain affected models. Meanwhile, other customers notice the warning appears intermittently. This usually happens due to loose connections or partially defective sensors, and it reminds us of something we always say in the shop. The system warns you before something completely breaks, so it's best to check it before it becomes a bigger problem.